What's up, guys? We got a 2019 W900 Long Hood here. We got an 18-speed Eaton Fuller. We just took this girl to lunch. She's got 334,000 miles on her. Low miles for this. I'm gonna pop this hood real quick to show you guys what we got underneath. We got an X15 with 465 horsepower and brand new rubber all the way around the truck. Thank you guys. Have a great week.